All right, so in our last drawing here, we need to create a paperclip. Notice there's no dimensions, so it's kind of up to us on how we want to design it. All right, and then finally we're going to use the sweep feature to kind of give our paperclip, this 2D drawing, a three-dimensional appearance. Okay, so let's go to Autodesk. Go ahead and start a new file once again, new standard part, and go ahead and start a 2D sketch. All right, so most paper clips are around an inch or so. So I'm going to start a line, have it go up, about 1 inch. Okay. All right. Hit escape. Now there's multiple ways. Oops, not draw. You can do this. I mean, you could use a circle and you could come over here. Okay. Whoops. Hit escape. You could, let's make that tangent to that. And you could do a line tool, come down, and then you could use your trim tool and get rid of that. Okay, but we're going to just kind of start using arcs here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is let's find our arc button here. I'm going to zoom in. We're going to find our green dot. Green dots are always our friends. Now, when you click on an arc, okay, you want, let's make that 0.3. Okay, you always click on how wide you want your arc first. Click there, and then you move your mouse up. Okay, and that'll give you the radius of your arc essentially as you move it around. So one of the things I want you to look for is a constraint when you move this around. If you notice it right there, it pops up, your tangent constraint. So click there. All right. So we have a nice, okay, tangential constraint here, and we have a nice evenly flow. All right, so let's come back to our line tool. Let me look at it again. So we made our arc. We're going to come down farther now. Okay, let's come down about 1.5 inches and make another arc. Okay, and then make another line and another arc, and you guessed it, another line. Okay, so I'll probably have to look back again here. So let's find the end of our arc. Okay, make it 1.5 inches. Okay, hit escape. Now, once again, grab our arc, find our green dot there, and let's come to about 0.2. Hit enter. Actually, you know what? Let's do 0.25. Whoops. Let's start over here. All right. And there's no dimensions. You just got to kind of create your own. So we're going to go 0.25. And once again, look for that. Okay. There we go. We have our tangent constraint there. All right, now I want to draw another line. Comes up. Let's give it a nice even number of about 1.3. Hit escape. Grab our arc tool. I'm going to zoom in. Let's give this about point, oh, let me see here. Point 2. And there we go. Make one more line. And there we go. Let's kind of zoom out. All right, looks pretty good to me. So now it gets a little tricky. We're gonna go ahead and finish our sketch. All right, so what we want to do now is we got to make this a 3D object. All right, so what we need to do is to find this little point on the end here. I'm going to zoom in. This guy right here. We need to create a plane. So we're going to come back to our origins. We're going to find out which plane sits on that. Well, all right, it looks like that's the one. So we're going to go ahead and start a 2D sketch on there. Let's rotate it around so we can find that point here. Okay. Oop. Gosh darn it. All right, then we're going to take our circle here. We're going to just draw out a circle of about okay, we're going to do 0.035. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so now you want to just go ahead and finish sketch. Go to your sweep button up here. You want to make sure your path is selected, and your path is your paperclip drawing. Okay, and there you go. Go ahead and hit OK. Your paperclip is all done. Once again, feel free to change the material to a nice metallic steel or something when you get a chance. And thanks for watching.